How radioactive are bananas? Well, here I have my GMC 500 plus Geiger counter, and this is usually what the natural background reading is, around 15 to 30 counts per minute. And here you can see if I have it directly on the bananas, it hasn't gone above anything that I would consider above background. These are normal readings that you would see in any house. But let's compare that to something that is radioactive, like this smoke detector. And you can see after letting it sit for a while, it's at 60. Now it's at 70.